Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting facts so your report fixes the problem fast. First, confirm the app version and device model. This narrows causes. Next, reproduce the error once or twice and write the exact steps, including the timestamp, because developers need a reliable trigger. Then capture 1 to 3 screenshots or a short screen recording to show visual context. Once done, make sure those files are named clearly and stored where you can attach them to the report immediately. Now you provide precise details so engineers can reproduce and diagnose. Start with a concise statement, what you expected versus what actually happened, because that clarifies the bug's impact. Then add any visible error codes, log snippets, or system messages. These often point directly to the failing component. Also record network state, permission settings, and whether the app was recently updated, since environmental factors matter. Once these elements are combined, your report will be actionable. Finish by submitting the report through the app's report bug feature or the official support channel so it reaches the right team. Attach your numbered steps, screenshots, and any logs and select severity. This prioritizes work. Provide contact info and preferred hours for follow-up. After submission, monitor responses and reproduce the issue if asked. If you get no resolution, escalate by sending fresh logs or a minimal reproducible test case. This forces a clearer investigation and speeds up a fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.